Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore vertical video cropping in Final Cut Pro. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore vertical video cropping in Final Cut Pro, begin by launching the application. Open your project where the vertical video is located. In the media library, locate and select the vertical video clip you want to adjust. Drag the clip onto the timeline to load it for editing. With the clip selected, navigate to the inspector panel on the right side. If the inspector panel is not visible, click on the inspector icon in the toolbar. Under the Video tab, look for the Transform options. Here you will see settings for position, scale, and rotation. To adjust cropping, click on the Crop section below the Transform settings. Select Crop to reveal the cropping controls. Use the on-screen controls to modify the left, right, top, and bottom crop values as needed. You can also type in specific values for more precise adjustments. Once you have adjusted the cropping, observe the video in the viewer to ensure it looks the way you want. If necessary, tweak the cropping further until you are satisfied with the result. After you've completed your adjustments, click on the Done button in the cropping controls. Finally, play back your video in the timeline to review the changes you've made. You have successfully restored vertical video cropping in Final Cut Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.